My name is Patricia. I come from Karolinska Institutet in Sweden, and I'm going to present my poster work, which is named Apolipoprotein CIII silencing as a novel strategy to combat metabolic disorders. ApoC3 is a key protein in the lipid metabolism, and it's known to be increased in obesity and type 2 diabetes. It is mainly produced in the liver and the small intestine, and previous studies have shown that lowering apolipoprotein CIII you can combat these metabolic disorders. So our hypothesis was to find a new strategy to lower these levels, and we opt for silencing. So for that, we design and screen small interference RNAs targeting ApoC3 gene mouse, and to test the pharmacokinetics and test the siRNAs in vivo. Also, we looked at some metabolic parameters to test that we are affecting these disorders. In this figure, we represent the in vitro testing in HEPA-1/6 cells, which are a murine model of hepatic carcinoma cells. Based on their efficacy and their potency, we chose these two siRNAs. With them, we proceed to the in vivo study, and we opt for OV mice, which are leptin deficient mice, and they have high levels of ApoC3. And we inject the siRNAs intravenously for 3 consecutive days. And we also had a sham group, which was injected the vehicle, and a control siRNA, which was inactive. We monitored the body weight of these animals, and we couldn't see any reduction within the treatment. We wanted to check mRNA levels of this apolipoprotein in liver and intestine, which are the main sources of this protein. And we could see that in a dose-dependent manner, we could reduce liver ApoC3, but not intestine. This is comparing in red to the control siRNA and in black to the control sham injection. And also, we wanted to check whether with these siRNAs we are affecting the rest of the genes in this cluster gene, which are apolipoprotein A1 and A4. And we couldn't see that we are affecting in any of the tissues. Also, we wanted to see that by lowering mRNA levels, we can reduce the levels of the protein in plasma levels. So we performed this Western blot, and we can see that at the highest doses, we can see a reduction of this apolipoprotein in plasma. About the parameters we tested, we tested some glucose parameters, insulin, C-peptide, and we couldn't see any improvement. But we can see a slight tendency to improve the lipid profiles within only the 3 days of treatment. So we can conclude that we have been able to identify siRNAs against ApoC3, which are target to the liver, and within only 3 days of treatment, we can see an improvement of the lipid profiles in these animals. This indicates a potential therapeutic potential of the siRNAs to prevent or combat diabetes and obesity.